Say that the Creator is absolutely one whom all depends while he depends on none. He begets not, nor is he begotten, and there is none in the creation that has any similitude to him. This denies several things. One, if he is absolutely one, it doesn't mean the number one, that he is one above the creation and only single God, not divided, no family, no board of trustees, no advisors, no lawyer, no bookkeeper, no company, no many gods sitting next to him, no mother, no father, no daughter, no son, no relative gods, no mini gods, only God, God alone. That's what God has always said, and that's what Jesus said. The greatest commandment is the first of the commandments. Hear you, O Israel, the Lord thy God is one, and thou shalt have no other gods along with him, and thou should not worship anything in the heavens or on the earth, or any grave or images on the heaven or in the earth, in the sea below. Now, this is what the Quran sets forward as the statement of God. A human being, regardless of who they are or where they are or what they do, will have this curiosity that they will want to know, why am I here? How did I get here? And do I have a purpose? Or if so, what is it? The only one who would really be able to answer that question would be the Creator himself. If there is a Creator, it would be up to him to tell us why we were created and what he expects from us. What this life is really about. Allah has shown the people from the time of Adam until right now, has shown the people what he wants from them, and it's a very simple thing, and that says that worship be for him alone without any partners. In fact, we know this life to be a test from Almighty God. That's why we are born and that's why we die, because there has to be a beginning and end for us to be tested on the next life after this life. No one will ever die again, a bad person or a good person. Both are brought back and they continue to live in the next life, either in a good shape or not so good shape, depending on how they did on the test.